Hey guys, if you are tired of getting non-stop page notifications on your personal Facebook profile, let me show you how to stop them quick and easier. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Setting and Privacy and then Setting. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Now, look for pages you manage. This is where all those pages already come from. Just turn off the toggle next to any page you don't want update from. Or if you want complete peace, just turn everything off here. No more page notification at all. If you are still getting alert because you are an admin or editor on an old page, open that page, go to Setting and Page Access and remove yourself. Just stop the notification complete. And that's it. No more random page already popping up on your personal Facebook profile. If this helped you, drop like, hit subscribe for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comment what I should cover next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.